Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share a story with you. Think of it as a fairy tale of sorts for car guys and gals. And you can decide whether or not it has a happy ending. But I think it's a perfect way to end the year. This will probably be the last video of the year for the channel. And we'll come back right after the new year with some fresh new content. So once upon a time, not that long ago, and we'll say in a land not that far away, there was this chance encounter between this humble, dashing, handsome, daring car guy and this, we'll say, beautiful steel princess from the Ford family.
It's a 1967 Ford Country Sedan.
So the way these two met, completely unbelievable, against all odds, like it had to be destiny or something.
I bought this car sight unseen off the Facebook marketplace.
But right at first glance, our dashing, daring, handsome car guy was consumed, right, by the beauty of what we'll call this oxidizing princess.
She's dirtier than a career politician.
You know, her beautiful, delicate skin, the face of an angel.
Got this pointy nose like Ebenezer Scrooge.
Perfect figure and curves.
This must be where they brush the wall at Talladega.
Just all her features, you know, worked for this guy.
The dash is looking like bacon left in the pan too long, huh? This is a big old booty. Looks like the headliner is 75–80% good. A better use for 75 rolls of duct tape I could not imagine.
And then on top of that, she was so elegant and graceful.
Well, I'm gonna do this again. Seems like we don't have any forward gears.
So right out of the gate, our superhero, dashing, super handsome, awesome car guy went right to work, right, doing everything he could to win the heart, you know, of this girl. Just he had to have her. He knew it, so he went right at it, man.
It seems like there's, as they say, opportunity for improvement.
He was over the top charming.
Listen, just get on there. You know, this is, you need to be more agreeable. We got to get rid of all the animal feces here. Listen, Cinderella, I am doing all this work to try to make you better, and you keep spitting in my eye. More turds.
He showed nothing but great love and affection.
Oh. Open this way. If I see one drop, you're going to be soup cans. We're either going to get it on the road or bad things will happen. Isn't that right? I may very well just set this thing on fire. I suppose I could hit it with a hammer.
He showered her with gifts, like just gifts, gifts, gifts. The giving never ended.
This oil pan came from Summit. We're going to go back with this micro guard. Mark called, said the transmission's ready to be picked up. We got to get this torque converter on it. I have new treads, cooler lines, parts back from the powder coaters. Oh yeah, I'd say that's much better. Well, we got a new fuel pump. I ended up springing for the, the actual hard fuel line, this dipstick. But we got that replaced, and this one is a new one I ordered from Summit. Our battery, turns out it was bad. We have this new one. I got me a cheap knockoff carb from Amazonia. We're gonna upgrade this electronic ignition. I've got this electric fuel pump doohickey here. We're going to see what we can do about this carpet. Only the highest quality upholstery.
And he took her on trips, to exotic, fancy places.
I'm in an undisclosed location. We're in a different undisclosed location. I'm in the RV park.
The princess, however, didn't seem very interested. And, she started, she was resisting our superhero, dashing, ultra handsome, super cool car guy.
I'm in drive now, and I'm getting nothing. Oh boy. It doesn't want to start in park. It's cracked. It's a goner. This thing wants to wrestle me. Loosen up. Loosen up. It's like wrestling an ornery mule.
But that didn't stop him from trying and trying and trying.
Now let's try it. Let's try this. Let's try it again. One more try here. Give it a shot. Let's try it again. Let's try our gears again. We're going to try that. We'll try it again. Let's try it again. Now let's try it again. And we're going to take another crack at Cinderella here. Let's try it again. We'll try it again. Wait, let's try it again. We're after it again here.
And there were a few times when he thought he had it, right? He thought he had won the affection and the adoration of this lovely princess. He was right there, man. It was within his grasp. He had her.
This is just grand. Yay. Yay. Boy, that makes me happy. You know, it's moments like this that make all this crap worth it. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. 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 Yes.
Or at least he thought. And every time he thought that, the princess would basically rip his heart out.
It was a running, driving car, and it turns out it does neither of those things, or at least very well. It died over there, and I had to push it over here. Now it obviously needs more love and attention. If they won't run, we'll tow them, right? I got Cinderella new shoes so she could go to the ball, and instead she bit the poison apple and took a nap.
And after a while, you know, this friction, I mean, it really, truly came to a boiling point. Sadly, our superhero, awesome, daring, dashing, super cool, handsome, wonderful car guy had to come to the realization that, you know, when you love something, you have to set it free.
It's for sale if you're looking for a cool wagon. But hey, this is for sale if anybody wants it. Otherwise, it might be recycled into the next Yeti tumbler.
And believe me, it was heart-wrenching, you know, for our superhero car guy to part ways and to let go. Absolutely heart-wrenching. It's really sad.
Listen, I know parting ways is hard, but just remember, it's not you, it's me. You'll find your one true owner one day. Sergio's gonna take you to your new home. I'm sorry, but our relationship was toxic right from the very beginning. I've moved on, and I hope you will too. We have to look toward the future now.
And he did, you know, try to take some solace in their final moments together.
I'll always cherish this final sunset that we've shared together. Oh, I need to sign? Okay. All right. We'll sign. We'll say goodbye to Cinderella. That's Cinderella. Yeah. You make sure you show some respect. Goodbye, Cinderella.
And in the end, he did his very best, you know, to try to look beyond despair and really hope that, you know, he could be happy again someday.
I hope I never see your spiteful, hateful self again.
And as for Cinderella, our princess, well, the world may never know. But I know that our superhero, dashing, super awesome, cool car guy wishes her the best and hopes to see her again one day.
Oh my gosh, Cinderella, is this you? You're looking fantastic.
So there you have it, folks. There's your car guy fairy tale, and I think it's been a fantastic 2023. I want to thank everybody. This is our first full year of having the channel, and we're going to end with nearly like 3,000 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed and watched and shared and liked and all that stuff. I hope it's been a good year for you as well. And we're going to take a little bit of break to get through the holidays here. Holidays are always hectic, man. So much stuff going on. But we're going to be right back after the first of the year with fresh new content. We got Winston the shop truck we want to get wrapped up. We got the Rat Marrow that we want to get on the road. We got Captain America Blazer that we want to, you know, get ready for a car show or do something with. And then we've got some fresh stuff in the works too. So Make sure you stay tuned, and I wish you and yours the happiest of holidays. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, and all that stuff. Whatever you do, get off the couch and go wrench on something and enjoy your holidays. We'll see you.